ready to supercharge your YouTube content by unlocking the power of its transcripts and automatically integrating it with your workflows. First, let's set up our workflow by dragging and dropping a YouTube trigger note onto the canvas. This will be the starting point that activates the workflow whenever there's new video you specify. Configure the YouTube trigger by selecting video under the resource dropdown and video added for the event. This tells N8n to watch for newly uploaded videos matching your criteria. Next, connect a YouTube node to the trigger and select Get Transcript from the Operation dropdown. You'll need to connect your YouTube account with N8n through Oath authentication if you haven't done so already. Now, in the Video ID field, use an expression to dynamically pull the video ID from the trigger's output, ensuring N8n automatically grabs the correct transcript for each new video. Finally, connect the YouTube node to any desired actions. You could use a text splitter to break the transcript into sentences, a summarized node to create concise summaries, or even push the transcript to a database for analysis. And just like that, you've automated the process of retrieving YouTube transcripts and integrating them into your N8n workflows. The possibilities are endless, from content analysis to enhanced video accessibility. So start exploring.